Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reuse fish oil easy method. Strain used oil through a fine mesh to remove particles, then pour into sterilized glass jars with tight lids and label with the date and intended use. Check color and smell before each reuse and dilute with fresh oil if the scent is strong. Start by reserving oil after low heat cooking and keep it for first non-food uses to test safety. Let oil cool to room temperature before filtering to avoid splatters and burns. Pour oil through a layered filter like cheesecloth, then a coffee filter for clarity and remove tiny solids. If oil smells sour or shows cloudiness or mold, do not reuse it and discard safely. For marginal cases, blend with fresh oil and use only for non-edible applications until you confirm stability and safety for further reuse. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice makes your car smell great after handling fish oil and prevents lingering odors. It's an easy, inexpensive fix to keep the cabin fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Try repurposing reused fish oil for leather conditioning, wood treatment, or as lamp fuel to get more life from each batch. For cooking, always mix old oil with fresh oil and test aroma and flavor at low heat first. Keep reused oil clearly labeled and reserved for non-food tasks until you are confident it remains stable. Storing in a cool, dark place slows spoilage and preserves usefulness for multiple safe applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.